OVID is a platform which we use to access and search a number of databases here at Canterbury Christ Church University, mostly relating to health and medical disciplines. This video covers how to work with subject headings on the OVID platform. Not all of our OVID databases include this feature, which is relevant to PsycInfo, MEDLINE and Embase. The graphics in the video show the PsycInfo database. Subject headings are a system used by databases to categorise articles using consistent vocabulary. For example, PsycInfo uses the heading Mental Health Personnel for articles relating to people working in mental health. This heading is used regardless of what words or phrases the authors of an article may have used to describe the same concept, such as mental health professionals or the mental health workforce. Working with subject headings can help you identify the most useful search terms and can also help to focus your search. On the advanced search page of the OVID databases, the option to map term to subject heading is usually automatically selected. If you search for multiple words or phrases, then subject headings will automatically be searched alongside title, abstract, and so on. To access the list of subject headings itself, search for just one word or phrase. Here, I've searched for mental health professionals. Several options appear, some of them more useful than others. If this was your topic, it might be useful to consider whether you mean mental health personnel, or whether one of the other options such as mental health services captures your intention more precisely. You can select as many or as few as you need, and the option to simply search as a keyword is always available at the end of the list. Each heading will include several options for how you wish to engage with it. Clicking the subject heading will take you to it in the thesaurus, showing the items before and after it, as well as showing broader, narrower, and related terms, all of which could potentially be relevant and useful for your search. Auto-explode sounds mildly alarming, but it is quite helpful. When this option is selected, then the database will automatically search for things in any subcategories below it, known as narrower terms. Focus will narrow the search only to articles where the subject heading is considered to be the main focal concept in the article. And Scope Note will take you to a page which may give a brief definition of the subject heading or other information about the heading. You can make a note of relevant subject headings to include in your search, or you can select them and search for them directly by choosing the relevant checkboxes and clicking Continue. Not all the OVID databases include subject headings, and when they do, the headings they use are not the same. Each set of headings has been developed to meet the needs of researchers in a specific discipline. Using subject headings to expand your search terms or to focus your search results can be a useful way to enhance your literature search. For other powerful ways to focus or widen your search, take a look at other videos in this playlist, including filtering your results and enhancing your search.